In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to brainstorm and write high-performing hooks for your video scripts. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the ChatGPT homepage, and the first thing I'll do is open up a notepad where I've prepared a custom prompt to train the AI on my specific style. I'm telling the AI that I'm a content creator named Josh and that I need hooks that are immediate, specific, and impossible to ignore. I'll highlight that first section of text, copy it, and then paste it right into the message bar. After hitting send, ChatGPT gives me a quick breakdown of the rules it will follow, ensuring the hooks are high tension and focused on a professional audience. It even provides a few examples for productivity to demonstrate that it understands the tone I'm looking for. Now, I'll head back to my notes to grab my first actual content request. I want 10 hook options for a video about the biggest mistakes new freelancers make. I'm asking for a mix of styles, including bold statements, shocking facts, and curiosity hooks. I'll paste this into the chat and let it work. As I scroll down through the results, you can see it categorizes each hook perfectly, providing 2 to 3 sentences for each one to make sure they fit into the first 15 seconds of a video. Next, I want to narrow these down and make them even punchier. I'll copy a follow-up prompt asking ChatGPT to pick the top 3 hooks from that list and rewrite them with even stronger opening lines that hit harder in the first 3 words. Once I paste and send that, the AI analyzes its previous work and provides refined versions of the shocking fact, relatable problem, and direct challenge hooks. For my final step, I'm going to ask for a completely different set of hooks about how freelancers can make more money. I'm requesting a specific mix of pattern interrupts and bold claims to keep the content fresh. I'll copy this last prompt from my notes, paste it in, and as the AI finishes, I now have a professional list of scroll-stopping hooks ready to use for my next project. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.